Hey, so in this video we're going to restart a project that's already completed. So I've got a project over here, serial number 112, that has been completed. So when I go to run production, that doesn't appear in the list. So there's a couple of steps to doing this. So first off, one has been loaded with the works order. So I'll just find it in this list. There you go, 112. If I click change, and that's down as production completed at the moment. So if I hit change release status, then I make sure that it's released for production. I've changed it there. Okay. There should be two steps though. So now it appears in the list. However, it won't let me start anything because it says production's been completed. So the next step is to go into the production overview. I just need to change it to the list view so I can get access to, now if I double click on it in the table, it brings up this window. And I can change its status down here to suspended. Now if I come back here, I can start the sequence. So those are the steps that you need to do to resume.